Hi there. Today's meditation is around letting go. Just a quick little one because we've been doing some around grief and personal power, and sometimes we can't let go of the grief, or we can't attain personal power if we can't let something go. Most of us have something in our life that when we talk about it and go into the details, we feel it in our heart. We feel hurt and anxious and distressed. That's a sign that our cells, that our body, that our nervous system is still holding an emotional charge associated with these things. So this one today is about talking to your subconscious brain and starting the process of letting go. So I want you to focus on one thing in your world that if you could just let it go, you would. Just one thing. So just keep it nice and simple and have a feel about how it feels. So think about that thing. How does it feel just thinking about it? Do you get triggered with anger? Do you get triggered with frustration? Do you get triggered with sadness or grief or loneliness? Do you get triggered with that feeling that life is never going to be good again because of it? These are the sort of things, they're not serving us any longer. If something is holding you back, you're not able to let go and you can't move forward, you're not living your best life. So this is for you to help you move forward, to start living your best life. Okay. ESR's, emotional stress release points. And breathe. As I evolve through life, people, places, and situations come and go. Run your central meridian from your belly button to your chin. I find it easy to let go of the old, which opens me up to the new. Letting go of the old and opening up to the new. I let go of all old trauma patterning, past injustices and emotions that are hindering my growth. That one's important. I let go of trauma patterning, past injustices and emotions that are hindering my growth. I let go of all trauma around my past learnings, and I am open and ready for the new. I let go of all trauma around my past learnings, and I am open and ready for the new. It is safe to let go of all old programs. It is safe to let go of all old programs. It is safe to let go of old trauma patterns that are no longer serving me. It is safe to let go of all old trauma patterns that no longer serve me. It is okay for me to let go of people that I no longer energetically connect with. I let go of feelings of inadequacy. I let go of feelings of revenge. I let go of fear. I let go of anger. I let go of guilt. It is safe to let go. It is safe to release all old trauma patterns. It is safe to feel excitement for the future. It is safe to be me. It is safe to live my best life. And breathe. Have a spectacular weekend. Feel the sunshine, the fresh air. Get out into the nature and live your best life. Have a great one.